Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to text not dry. To start, try incorporating emojis and GIF into your messages. They add a lot of personality and emotion. Instead of simple yes or no questions, ask open-ended ones that invite more detailed replies. Also, don't be afraid to share a quick personal story or observation to make the conversation feel more real and engaging. These small changes can make a big difference. Keeping a conversation lively means being responsive. Try to reply in a timely manner to show you are engaged and keep the momentum going. Mix up your message length. Sometimes a quick reply is fine, other times a more detailed text is better. If the chat starts to slow down, introduce a new topic or a fresh idea to spark renewed interest and keep things exciting. To truly make your texts shine, inject some personality. Don't shy away from using humor or sharing a lighthearted joke to brighten the mood. If you come across an interesting article or a funny meme that relates to your conversation, share it. For an even more personal touch, consider sending a quick voice note. It adds a different dimension to your communication. Finally, to truly elevate your texting game, observe the other person's style and try to adapt yours to match their energy. If a text conversation feels like it's hitting a wall, suggest moving to a phone call or even meeting up in person. Sometimes face-to-face interaction is best. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They make meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.